In this lecture, we will study about pronouns. Pronouns act as substitutes for nouns. They take the place of nouns in sentences to make it much more simpler. We have all studied pronouns when we were in high school. They, it, all these words are pronouns. Coming to GMAT, pronouns are a very important part of sentence correction. We can see from an example here that pronoun and the noun should agree in number, as well as it should not be confusing to identify what the pronoun is referring to. This is a very common GMAT sentence correction question that you can see in the official guides as well as the GMAT exam. Let's take the example. Whenever a student attempts a test, note down its details. Did you see a catch here? What does its refer to? Does it refer to the student or does it refer to the test? These kind of questions create an ambiguity and actually form the basic fundamental of a GMAT question. What do you think should be the correct answer to this? We should either write student or test instead of the pronoun, because in this situation the pronoun is not correctly representing the noun. The correct answer here would be, whenever a student attempts a test, note down his or her details. When we write his or her details, we directly refer to the student and the confusion is removed. We can see this from an example as well. Let's look at an example here. Unlike most severance packages, which require workers to stay until the last day scheduled to collect, workers at the automobile company are eligible for its severance package even if they find a new job before they are terminated. Give it 30 seconds and just absorb what type of question it can be. Whenever you read something like unlike, this hints at comparison. When we are saying unlike most severance packages, we are trying to compare the severance packages with something else. Let's see what severance packages is being compared here with. Severance package is getting compared with workers, which is probably the wrong comparison. Hence, we can eliminate option A, which is the sentence as it is. In option B, severance package once again is being compared to workers. Hence, this option can be eliminated as well. In option 3, severance packages are being compared with the automobile company, and hence C also becomes wrong. Now we are left with option D and option E, which both compare severance packages with automobile company's severance package. There is a like-to-like comparison here, and hence both of the options can be right. But look at option E once and see the word they. Try to read the sentence. Unlike most severance packages, which require workers to stay until the last day that they are scheduled to collect. What is they? Does they refer to severance packages or the workers? This is an example where comparison and pronouns are mixed together and a question is framed. By understanding pronouns, we can easily eliminate option number E and get to the correct answer, which is D. Do check out the GMAT official guide as well as the Manhattan guides for problems on pronouns. Such examples where the definition of pronoun would be unclear would be easily identifiable as well as easily solvable. See you next time. Happy learning.